A real question. A guy's taking you out on the first date. He pulls up in this. What are you doing?
Hey everyone, welcome to Actoris' channel. I am obviously not Actoris, but welcome to the fuck!
It's hard, isn't it?
Hey everyone, obviously I'm not Actoris, but welcome to the only channel on YouTube that covers not only cars, but sneakers also. Today we're going to a car meet. There's Actoris and our special guest Hayden over here. We're about to go take the 240 out to a meet.
I got it.
So, I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but the exhaust did fall off again, and I try to use some AC tape to hold it up, but we also have our spare jumper cables wrapped around underneath and held on pretty well. It still wobbles side to side, but at least it doesn't scrape. Here's Actoris unwrapping the car. It's pretty dirty, as you can see. Oh shit, I was zoomed in.
So taping it.
Hey, that's about that matters. Oh.
Looks like it worked pretty well.
Yeah.
I don't think the car has ever looked so ghetto. Damn thing is always needing gas too.
Alright, we're in the exhaust section looking for some metal zip ties. I believe Hayden might have just found them. What the fuck is that?
It's an exhaust hanger.
Oh, we need that too. But it's the thing he was talking about. Is that it? Oh yeah, that's it. Why does
Yeah, that's just like a hose clamp.
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. We got what we need. Some metal strapping clamps. Alright, let's head out. Honey, welcome to Shit Your Ride.
Alrighty. I think it's fine now. I don't think that the exhaust is gonna fall off again anytime soon.
I think so, it might.
What was that?
You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
So far it just started and there's a good turnout. Since it's a organized event, there's multiple cops just watching the scene, make sure nobody does anything stupid. Mopar groups. We got a Raccoon City patrol car in gen, or first gen Viper with a fat ass wing on it. Subaru. What makes Subaru a Subaru?
I'm being for real.
Damn. Damn. Look at the size of these turbos. What are these, like 100 millimeter? Damn. Alright, flip it upside down just to make sure it dings. Push it on. Alright, no, this.
So cool.
Let me know, guys. Should I sell my Ultima and get an Audi, or should I get a muscle car? Please let me know in the comments, because that's been like the biggest decision right now for me. Old GT350 Mustang. Damn. That's nice. Really like this here. We got a Chevy SS and then another Chevy SS, but with Holden badges on it. That's pretty cool.
I don't know how I
But a Chevy SS will totally do this. David, how bad do you want a WRX?
I already got one.
You already got one?
It's making about, 1,200 to the wheel.
1,200 to the wheel?
Yeah. Twin turbo. We're about to go, quad turbo, but I gotta save up the money first. So I'll race you whenever you're ready.
All right. Real question: a guy's taking you out on the first date. He pulls up in this. What are you doing?
Sucking that schlong. Does that have a fan? Are you taking bougie pictures of me?
No, I'm taking a video for you falling.
Don't leave.
Almost. Honestly, if I didn't have to worry about the four doors, I probably would have got me something like this. Porsche Cayman. You can find these under 20K. And God, do I want one. They're just really nice, especially for the money. Jesus. Let me know, viewers, what are we looking for? Ferraris or Lamborghinis? Let me know. I'm personally a Ferrari guy, but that Lamborghini, also real sick. Look at this thing. This wrap is absolutely insane. It's like some sort of galaxy. I don't know what's going on here. A lot of colors. Shout out to my boy Hayden for supplying us with some delicious Chick-fil-A and getting me a cherry Coke. I love these. Leone almost ate the whole bag, bro. Definitely one of the prettiest cars ever made. RX-7. Wow. This is stupid clean too. All blacked out. Damn. I want one of these, but they're really expensive and ridiculous to maintain. Okay, we're bored now, so we're gonna start putting away the chairs and get ready to go down for a cruise and check out more meets along the way. Damn, it's hot as shit in this car. Woo! What's up? Fuck yeah! God, driving manual recording is definitely not ideal. Jesus Christ, but that RX-7 is behind me. My muffler's dragging? Is my muffler dragging?
Yeah.
Fuck! That's bad. Odd Nod makes a cameo in the vlog once again to help save the car exhaust. The damn thing just keeps falling off, and
This is why I carry a bunch of tools with me.
yeah, Nifty and Odd Nod here, man. Thing just keeps falling off, and I don't know what to do. Alrighty. Yeah. That should hold, right?
There's no anything. You should be able to see everything.
So, we got the car home, barely. I'm so tired and sweaty. The car is so hot, especially when you've been running it all day. Holy shit. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm as well, and subscribe and support. Just be awesome.
Post notifications.
Turn on post notifications because we vlog a lot. Don't miss out. And yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Oh God.